Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Isencane Lengane. So guys, one of the things we see on this episode is that we see uMakathando, she goes and visits umnganakhe uNelly. One thing about uNelly guys, once I see ubuso bakhe guys, I just love because the way adelela ngakhona, that time she's delelaring and she's not even part of the family, but anyway, she is a friend of the show supporting umnganakhe uMakathando. So while she's there, while uNelly makes uMakathando something to eat, hayibo kunenokho emnyango. Who's there by the door? uThando, you guys. Once uMakathando sees ukuthi uThando was here, she's like, yo, ngivedana ngasutha nje. And then uThando, you can see ukuthi she's offended at the fact that uma wakhe is saying ukuthi usuthi just by seeing her. Now guys, uMakathando is fed up. UDikwe finish uThando because she says ukuthi I've been defending ingane yami. Siyacala would swear you, siyacala would say stuff. I've been defending you. Kodwa sonke lesi sikhathi when I'm defending you, you are not appreciating. Wena Thando, you're not appreciating the fact that defender, and on top of that you take uSiyacela's side. Guys, you know what? I get it because Nathi as a nation, listen, we are tired of uThando. Uthando, what I've noticed, you guys, I feel like she's got this thing of when she's with uSiyacela, she will allow uSiyacela to disrespect abazali bakhe and keep quiet. And then when she's with umawakhe, she will go and speak to umawakhe and say uSiyacela ungenza lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. So you see ukuthi she's the one uxabanisa labantu. And also as well, guys, like I think, like, how do you allow umuntu, even if it's your husband, to disrespect your mother like that? Peninhlamba that uSiyacela has that he has sworn or said about uMakathando, guys, it's too much. And uThando uyathula. Worse, like I would understand, guys, if uSiyacela was those loving husbands where he did everything for uThando, but he was delelaring her mother, then she took his side. But there's nothing this Siyacela's doing for him. He swears her, he hits her, he does whatever he wants, and then she still takes his side. I understand why uMakathando ekhathele. Hey, but the words that were coming out of uMakathando's mouth were kind of harsh. She was saying ukuthi yabana ke Thando, ngiyakhipha nje enganini zami, I'm cutting you off from my children. Like, in fact, like, even like I want to ban you from even coming to my funeral. That sounded painful, you guys. And uThando, in her diary session, she's like, mina lenta show you my wrong because mina saying ingane. I was like, no, Sisi, you are not ingane. So you can't want to use that when it's to your benefit. You need to put boundaries for this man of yours to stop disrespecting your mother. Guys, when we just recall the things Siyacela has said, ukuthi uMakathando, she goes around giving her private parts to the whole Durban Itegulonke. I was just like, nah, guys, that is just too far. But you can see uMakathando, she's not having it. She's not taking it. She's like, Thando, ngiphumile emshadweni wakho. Ngiphumile kuwena. I'm not going to defend you. Like, it's fine. And then uThando ends up walking out. Now, another thing that we see, uNjabulo meets up with uThembi Nkosi. I'm like, yes, I was waiting for this because last season, uThembi Nkosi was too excited, you guys. And one thing about uNjabulo, guys, you can see he's not here on the show to try and make money for himself. He's here on the show to clarify his name and his family's name. I like that. Now, another thing that just irritates me about uThembi Nkosi, why esela kule show, guys? Yo, hi, this man just, yo, guys, if I had a father like this, who went by all means to try and milk out money out of a show through me, I would disown this man. I'm sorry because this man, like, he's not even embarrassed by the way he does things. Any opportunity to show on Isencane Lengane, uThembi Nkosi would grab it by both hands. And that time he does it at the expense of his own child. Yo, gay. But anyway, remember what uThembi Nkosi said last season, guys. uThembi Nkosi said phela ingane kaSiyacela ayifani noSiyacela, ifana nobani? NoNjabulo. He was speaking about this Njabulo. So obviously if you're saying that, you are then saying ukuthi Njabulo slept with uThando. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, that time when uJabulo is confronting uThembinkosi, uThembinkosi wants to deny, you guys. He wants to deny, and Njabulo is like, no, if ufuna ukujezisa uSiyacela, don't do that nge-expense, on my family's expense. uThembinkosi is trying to justify himself. Njabulo is like, no, don't justify yourself, Thembinkosi. I was just like, I was waiting for Ama to just come out there, because uThembinkosi needs to be taught a lesson, you guys. But anyway, Njabulo says, yabana mfethu, wagade amagama wakho, guard your words. Like basically ulokuzana uNjabulo was saying ukuthi ngiyakhuza, I am warning you once. Because I know the second time it won't come lightly. He was also saying kuThembinkosi ukuthi ungathi mawukhuluma ungathi mawukhuluma into and then uyahluleka to justify it or to stand by it. You could see ukuthi, guys, uNjabulo, he's not the guy that has many words, you guys. And you could see ukuthi Thembinkosi is uyasaba, but my thing is Thembinkosi, I feel like he's just listening for listening, but when he meets up at the Tabetas again, he's probably gonna say something else that's not going to sit nice or something like that. Like, guys, uThembinkosi uyangibhora. I just wish ukuthi bamkhiphe kule show and stuff like that, because when I'm recalling the things that he even said, guys, he didn't only say that about uNjabulo. He said ukuthi kunezinto that ugogo kaSiyacela are doing there by a house ezingasile. What does he mean? And that time, he's only been to ulokuzana uNjabulo's household, or his mother's household, or Njabulo's mother's household once. So what do you mean ukuthi ugogo kaSiyacela izinto that are going on there, izinto ezingasile, was there laphi wena when you've only been there once? Do you understand what I'm saying? And he went on to say ukuthi Thando's going to reveal all of that. Manje he's busy sitting here like a wet chicken, busy saying, yebo bhuti ngiyabuza, yebo mfethu ngiyabuza. I was just like, yo, abantu abafana noThembinkosi, it's like they will do anything just to stay relevant. And umdala Thembinkosi for lezinto zenzayo. Anyway, one of the things, or another thing we see on the show, Thando, she decides to meet up with uSiyacela, you guys, and she's like, she wants uSiyacela ukuthi amkhazele face to face, or he must repeat whatever he said, all those insults to her face. I'm just like, really? This is so futile. We all know how this is gonna end. Well, the meeting didn't go that bad, guys, because uSiyacela, one thing I've noticed about uSiyacela, when his confrontation, or when people are confronting him, yes, uyadelela, but he doesn't delela as his diary sessions. You see his diary sessions, yes, says uyakhohlwa uSiyacela. So he was not that disrespectful. He was disrespectful, but not that disrespectful as the diary session. I don't even see the point to why Thando was going to meet up with uSiyacela. At this point, guys, there's nothing that I can feel anyone, or nothing that I feel anyone's going to say to Siyacela that's going to make him feel bad at this point. But it's sad when this whole thing started off, Isencane Lengane, you guys, it was two young innocent people who wanted to fall in love. They got married by fire, by force, and now today, years later, they are two young adults who got such prominent figures in their family against them. It's like, guys, how do you live a life when there's so many people who've got something against you? I don't think that's healthy to even live. uThando noSiyacela ukhalwa ngabo left, right, and center, and they find living lives like that. Hi guys, at some point you need to look at yourself, introspect, and ask why are people so much against us? Because bayadelela, and hey guys, let's just park it there. Thando was very clear ukuthi she's going to leave on her own accord. But you know what, girl? All the best to you. You're an adult. You know what you're doing. Let's just hope by the time you eventually decide to leave that man ukuthi you'd still have someone in your corner, because at this point it's not looking cute. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there, because that is the recap of the latest episode of Isencane Lengane. You tell me your thoughts on it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.